Hey guys, it's Jimmy with Trailer Valet, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a wheel caster on our new wheel dolly setup. So if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So when replacing or taking off your wheel caster, it's very simple. You just need a standard 3/4 inch socket. Hold your wheel dolly down. Once you get it free, then you can go ahead and ratchet it out. Then you can go ahead and finish it with your hand. Keep in mind, each wheel caster has a bolt and a washer on top. So that is the removal of your wheel caster. So one reason you may need to replace your wheel caster is if for some reason you drop or hit any part of the top of the wheel caster right here. If this comes down, you will no longer be able to rotate your wheel at a 360-degree angle. So once placing it in, go ahead and set it completely in. You will feel it pop in through that little square fitting. Once you have it through, grab your washer, place your washer on top, and your nut. Just hand thread it first. Once it's fully hand threaded, then you can go ahead and pop your ratchet on and tighten it down. Once it stops, I say go about another quarter turn, and good to go. There you have it, pretty simple and straightforward. If you guys have any questions or concerns, again, contact us at our customer support. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.